Hey guys, Brian here from 2B Clean Auto Detailing out in Northeast Ohio. Today's video is going to be another tire shine that lasts. So, this company called Dura Coating, they have many products from waxes you wash, carpet shampoos. They have so many products. I actually will be doing a video on them next. I have about 15 products that I got from them. This guy's name is Mark. He's the president of this company. So if this doesn't look like, if it doesn't ring a bell, Dura Coating Technologies. So I really want a tire shine that lasts because it can help take one step away from detailing, especially these big tires, because all these sealants or whatever you want to call it for your wheels will help reject road dirt, which means you won't have to spend a lot of time scrubbing it out. So what I already did was I did a LA's Totally Awesome. Then I hit it with a Meguiar's All-Purpose Cleaner, just in case. So what I do also have, they send you this Dura Clean. This was not in the sample box, but I got it sent to me as a heavy-duty tire cleaner and degreaser. You also get a foam applicator cut to a tire. You can use a hand one, which is awesome. Just depend on like low profile tires and whatnot. Then you get the 4-ounce bottle of the Dura Dressing. Also, you get some gloves with this, and you get the sprayers for both bottles. I'm going to just put this on the applicator itself. I'm not going to put this with a spray bottle. So what I'd like to do first is just apply the heavy duty cleaner. Then I'm going to do the Dura cleaner, and then I'm going to apply the Dura Dressing. So I'm just going to go to town. This is a really strong cleaner. One thing that I do want to say is make sure you always read directions. I got an acid-based wheel cleaner sent to me, ready to use, and some other natural oils and a shampooer, which I can't wait to do a review on that. But these are some heavy-duty degreasers, so they recommend you spraying this kind of like this so you don't have to get it airborne. I, however, am going to just spray it like you would normally. Just wanted to give you guys that warning. So I'm going to work a half a tire at a time. And this is an amazing cleaner. It's super foamy. I already did clean these twice, so there's not going to be much dirt. However, this should still pull some dirt out. I believe it, because tires hold on to so much junk. As you can see, just a little bit of dirt left, and it's important to get rid of that, because if you don't, your dressing is sitting on top of that. And just like washing and waxing a car, you want to clay it, you want to get the contaminants off. And I guess one thing I didn't mention is it comes with this little brush here, so that's amazing. I'll put a link in the description on where to get this and how to get it. I'm thinking you can get this kit for like 40 bucks. And right now they have free shipping with orders of 50 or more, I believe. Not 100% sure. But it's great, so you can get that and browse around their website, because they have so much stuff. And hopefully that picks it up. There's some brown water coming off of that. This I used this brush earlier today just for the heck of it, and it got dirty and it liked to be ingrained with dirt, so I used the heavy duty tire cleaner and degreaser first, and now it's brand new looking, so that's amazing. So now I'm going to use the Dura cleaner. This is the one that they recommend to not breathe in. So I'll just apply this like that. Another super foaming heavy duty cleaner. I'm hoping to see that this brush here is going to be almost as clean as it can be. That will show me that I got all the contaminants out. But don't be afraid to hit it again twice. For my sake, this is going to be on my personal vehicle. And I'm not going to worry about if there's just a little bit of dirt, if it sacrifices the durability and whatnot. Yeah, still got a lot of dirt on here. I may hit it just another time, just for the heck of it. I was really excited to get this product in my hands. I like the idea of the dressing that doesn't kind of attract dirt. If you ever watched their videos, they throw sand at it, and I guess that's supposed to imitate, you know, driving through the normal cities. I'm going to do it one more time because I've personally never cleaned a tire this good before, this thorough. I get them clean, but I don't get them to the point of completely nothing. Thought it'd be fun to do that. And I'll try to do some updates like a month from now. I'm not sure how long this is supposed to last. I might leave this in real time, so you know, you guys can feel free to jump ahead. You know, I don't want to bore you with the cleaning, but it's here for to showcase the process you would use. I'm probably going to spend close to 10 minutes a tire. So I'm going to let this dry as much as I can naturally, so I'll pause the video then. But you may use some forced air to speed up your process, and I think that's what I'm going to do off camera. And there you have it. There's a nice and stripped down tire. So I'm going to go ahead and pause this, dry up the wheel, and then I'll take you back in for the application of the Dura dressing. All right, guys, it's been long enough to dry. I'm going to coat 3/4 of this wheel here, because then I'm going to go ahead and move it back and coat the bottom sides off the camera. But this will be a good video to show you guys how to do this. So these tires are super clean. I joke, but when I say this, I could eat off of them. So I'm going to use this applicator, and I'm going to show you that. There you go. I'm going to start with this much, which is not much. There's that nice super blue color again. I might just start spraying this, we'll see. In my other videos, you saw me use a detailing brush to get into the nooks and crannies. This does not really have it, so for this option, I'm not going to do that. But what I just experienced is I'm going to go ahead and spray this. Make my life easier. Just got to get the sprayer out. I apologize. And then I believe you should purge the line before storing it. That way it doesn't lock up in the trigger. This will be a lot easier. There you go. Now I can just spread the product on, because this dries semi-fast. And though it's a different color, it's going to dry clear. It's a nice sprayer that comes with it, a nice fine mist. Like I said, I really wanted to do something like this because it just saves me a step. I know it sounds small, but you know, after you go through a rain, your tires are still going to be shiny. All right. I got a nice distribution on there. I'm going to go ahead and wipe it off the wheel. Off the wheel here, just so I got a little bit on here. No need to worry or anything. This polymer base, so it'll come right off. Not going to set up that quickly. I like this. This seems like it's a really good application method. Not too much of that runs, like I've seen in another product. And what I'm doing myself is trying to spread this product. Because what I'm thinking is, as it's drying, I'm trying to level it as much as I can, so that it's a nice uniform finish when it does dry. I'm by no means a professional at this. And then I'll make some videos later on, like torture tests and whatnot. I may just treat it like normal, wash it with some car soap or whatever. See how long it lasts instead of trying to beat it to death after doing all this work. So from my point of view, it's still a little bluish colors. I'm gonna go ahead and take you guys off the tripod. Still got a little bit of color in there, but it's mostly going away. All right guys, so there you have it. There is the installation, the cleaning and the installation of the Dura Dressing. I think this product's going to be a really good seller because it's going to add a good sheen to the tire, and also it's not going to attract the dirt like they say. So I'm looking forward to doing that. So you guys have a blessed day. Thanks for watching, guys.